How to turn off subtitles on Amazon Prime Video on TV. If you're watching a movie or show on Amazon Prime Video and want to turn off the subtitles, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that on your TV. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your TV and start playing the show or movie you want to watch. Make sure you're in the middle of the video, as the subtitle settings are available during playback. Next, grab your TV remote and press the up button to bring up the video controls. Look for the subtitles or CC icon, which typically looks like a speech bubble or CC symbol. This will open the subtitles menu where you can change or turn off the subtitles. In the menu that pops up, use the left or right arrow keys on your remote to select off under the subtitles option. Once you've selected off, subtitles will be turned off immediately, and you can watch your video without the subtitles. Now, you can simply press the back or exit button on your remote to close the window and return to your video. And that's it. That's how you easily turn off subtitles on Amazon Prime Video when watching on your TV.